Best English practice.
Conversation 1. Meeting for the first time.
Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
Hello, Anna. I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ben. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from the United States. Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. The city is very beautiful.
That's great. How long have you been here?
About 6 months. And you?
I've been here for 2 years.
It's nice to meet new people like you. Conversation 2. Talking about jobs. What do you do for work, Anna?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
I work in a bank as a customer service agent.
And that must be busy. Do you enjoy it?
Sometimes. It can be stressful, but I learn a lot.
That's good. Learning is important.
Yes, and I meet many different people every day.
That must make your job more exciting.
Conversation 3. Talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing soccer and reading books.
Soccer is fun. Do you play on a team?
Yes, every weekend with my friends.
I like reading too. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly adventure and mystery stories.
I enjoy novels and sometimes poetry.
That's nice. Poetry can be very beautiful.
Yes, it helps me relax and think.
Maybe you can recommend a good book sometime. Conversation 4. Talking about family. Do you have a big family?
Not very big. I have one brother and one sister.
That's nice. I have 2 sisters.
Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone in an apartment.
It must be quiet and peaceful.
Sometimes, but I miss my family.
I understand. Family is very important.
Yes, I call them every day.
That's a good habit.
Conversation 5. Talking about food.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
I like pasta and salads.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals most days.
I like cooking too, but sometimes I order food.
Ordering is convenient, but cooking is healthier.
True. Maybe I should cook more.
You should try it. It can be fun.
I will give it a try next week. Conversation 6. Talking about weather. It's very cold today, isn't it?
Yes, I had to wear my winter coat.
I don't like cold weather much.
I prefer summer, but winter has its own beauty.
Do you like snow?
Yes, but only when I stay inside and watch it.
That's smart. Snow is beautiful but cold.
I hope it will be warmer soon.
Me too. I'm ready for spring.
Spring is lovely with all the flowers.
Conversation 7. Talking about travel.
Have you traveled to other countries?
Yes, I went to Mexico last year.
That sounds amazing. What did you like the most?
The beaches and the food were great.
I want to travel to Europe someday.
You should. It's full of history and beautiful cities.
Which country do you recommend?
Italy is wonderful. The art and food are incredible.
I will add Italy to my list.
Great. I'm sure you'll love it. Conversation 8. Talking about school. Did you like school when you were a child?
Yes, especially my teachers were nice.
What was your favorite subject?
I liked literature and history.
I enjoyed math and science.
Do you think school helps us in life?
Definitely. It teaches us important skills.
Yes, and helps us make friends too.
That's true. School is a big part of our childhood.
I have many good memories from school.
Conversation 9. Talking about sports.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball and soccer.
That's great. I like swimming.
Swimming is a good exercise.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Sometimes I watch soccer matches.
Who is your favorite team?
I support my local team. What about you?
I don't watch much sports, but I like tennis.
Tennis is fun to watch and play. Conversation 10. Talking about daily routine. What do you usually do every day?
I wake up early, have breakfast, then go to work.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do yoga or go for a walk.
That's good. I prefer to exercise in the evening.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax, watch TV, or read.
I like to cook dinner and spend time with family.
That sounds nice. I should spend more time with my family.
Yes, family time is important.
Conversation 11. Talking about shopping.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes. I prefer buying things online.
I like going to the mall and looking at clothes.
That's fun. Do you shop often?
Not very often, only when I need something.
What's your favorite store?
I like stores that sell books and clothes.
Well, I like electronics shops. I love gadgets.
Gadgets are fun but can be expensive.
Yes, but sometimes they are worth it. Conversation 12. Talking about movies. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and romantic films.
I prefer action and science fiction.
Do you go to the cinema?
Not often, but I watch movies at home.
I like watching movies with friends.
Me too, it's more fun together.
What's the last movie you saw?
It was an action movie with a lot of excitement.
Sounds interesting. I want to watch it too.
I can recommend it to you. Conversation 13. Talking about music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop and rock music.
I prefer classical and jazz.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano a little.
That's cool. I wish I could play an instrument.
You can learn. It takes practice.
Maybe I will try one day.
Music is a great way to relax.
I agree. It makes me happy. Conversation 14. Talking about technology. Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use it every day.
Me too. What apps do you use most?
I like social media and reading apps.
I use messaging and gaming apps.
Technology makes life easier.
but sometimes it can be distracting.
That's true. We should use it wisely.
Yes, balance is important.
I agree.
Conversation 15, talking about holidays. What do you like to do on holidays?
I like traveling and visiting family.
I usually relax at home and watch movies.
Holidays are a good time to rest.
Yes, and to enjoy time with friends.
Do you celebrate any special holidays?
Yes, Christmas and New Year.
Those are wonderful holidays.
Do you celebrate holidays in your country?
Yes, we have many traditional holidays.
It's nice to celebrate with family. Conversation 16, talking about learning English.
How long have you been learning English?
About 2 years.
That's good progress.
I practice by watching movies and speaking.
Practice is important.
Sometimes I find grammar hard.
Grammar can be difficult, but keep practicing.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work.
I will try my best. Conversation 17, talking about friends. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have some close friends.
Friends are important.
I agree. They support us.
What do you do with your friends?
We go to cafes, watch movies, and chat.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is. How about you?
I like playing sports and video games with friends.
Good way to spend time together.
Conversation 18, talking about daily life. What do you do every morning?
I wake up, have breakfast, and get ready for work.
Sounds like a good routine.
Yes, routine helps me stay organized.
I like to exercise before work.
Exercise gives energy for the day.
Exactly. What about your evenings?
I relax, cook dinner, and read a book.
That's a nice way to end the day.
Yes, it helps me sleep well.
I should try that too. Conversation 19, talking about pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Oh, I love dogs. What kind is Max?
He's a Labrador, very friendly and active.
I have a cat. She's very quiet and sweet.
Cats are nice too. Do you take your cat outside?
No, she stays indoors. She likes to sleep a lot.
Dogs need a lot of exercise, so I take Max for walks every day.
That's great. Pets are good companions.
Yes, they make life happier. Conversation 20, talking about weekend plans. What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with some friends.
That sounds fun. Where will you go?
To a nearby national park.
I like hiking too. It's good exercise.
Yes, and the nature is beautiful.
Will you take pictures?
Of course, I love photography.
Maybe I'll join you next time.
You're welcome.
Conversation 21, talking about future plans.
What are your plans for the future?
I want to finish my studies and get a good job.
That's good. What kind of job?
Something in technology or IT.
Sounds interesting.
And you?
I want to travel more and learn new languages.
Those are great goals.
Yes, I hope to achieve them.
I'm sure you will. Conversation 22. Talking about celebrations. How do you celebrate your birthday?
Usually with family and friends.
Do you have a party?
Sometimes, but mostly a quiet dinner.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I like spending time with loved ones.
I celebrate with a big party every year.
That's fun.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Different ways to celebrate, but all special.
Conversation 23. Talking about health.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to run or go to the gym.
That's good. Exercise is important for health.
I agree. What about you?
I do yoga and sometimes swim.
Yoga is great for flexibility.
Yes, and it helps reduce stress.
Staying healthy is important.
Definitely. Good diet and exercise.
I try my best. Conversation 24. Talking about books. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read a lot.
What's your favorite book?
Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen.
I like adventure stories.
Books can teach us many things.
They also help improve language skills.
True. What book are you reading now?
A mystery novel. It's exciting.
I should read that too.